Hey guys, CJ here at America's Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you this new ArmorTech full enclosure for all new generation Defenders. 7s, HD9s, HD10s, that's what this is going to fit. This company is made in the USA, so that's pretty awesome. And I'm going to kind of go over some of the features that are different than some of the competitors out there with full enclosures, because I know it's getting a little cold out right now. It'd be nice to have a full enclosure on your unit. So let's go over some of the features. So up front here, our windshield. This is a flip down windshield. So it's gonna mount to the hood here and strap down. You're not gonna have to worry about shocks going out or anything like that. And then from the windshield here, you go down to the bottom. This is the vents. So they have some sliders at the bottom. So you can open that up and get a little bit of fresh air with having that windshield still up. So if it's still cold and you need a little bit of fresh air, pop those open. It's not gonna cool you off too bad. It's gonna be perfect amount of air. All right, now let's move inside the cab and let's show you some of the door features. All right, now that we're inside, let's go over some of the features on the door. So up top here, we have a good full-size sliding glass window up here. Gives you a ton of airflow. The front doors do it, the back doors do it. Gets a really good draft in here when it's a little bit hot outside. And then the second thing of these panels at the bottom here, it's something small that they did, but it really makes it feel a whole lot bigger in here. So when I'm riding, I can look down and see what kind of rocks, the water level, whatever I'm riding through, I can visibly put my eyes on it to know what I'm going through. Those are just kind of some of the things. There's a couple more stuff I want to show you on the outside, so let's go check those out. All right, now that we're outside, I'm going to show you the last feature of this door. They come off. All right, let me show you how easy that is. So when you pop this open here, you have two hinges to line up, just like an old school Jeep. You can come in here, lift it up, and then just drop it right back in those hinges. It is super easy to do. Summertime, take those things off. It's gonna get hot. Wintertime, we wanna keep that heat in. Let's close them down, put all the doors up, close them windows, and have a good time. Back here, this is another steel panel, super good material, all bed lined. You can kind of really see the material it's made out of here. And you have a sliding back glass, kind of like your old school trucks. Really cool. Pop that open and it creates that full wind tunnel when all the windows are open. It's just a really cool feeling to have that back glass open. All right, last thing I want to go over with this cab build is this is made of steel, okay? When you are mounting stuff, that's real metal, that's some strong stuff. When you're mounting up some roof racks, light bars, whatever it may be, it's gonna keep the structure of the cab a little bit tighter. It's not gonna be flexing like some of the poly roofs that you have on here. Steel is where it's at. All right guys, that's it for this one. Just wanna show off this ArmorTech system for the Defenders. Really cool option if you're looking for a little bit of strength on your Defender, a full cab with a nice steel roof to mount stuff to. This thing's pretty cool. If you have any other questions about it, leave it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you in the next one.